My name is Makenna Stevens. I'm with Nodus Technologies and I'm a software sales associate there. We're an accounts receivable solution. We integrate to Microsoft GP, Business Central, F&O. We specialize in getting businesses paid faster. I feel like DynamicsCon Live brings a lot of community. I feel like Molly and Bob and Liz have done a great job of including everybody in the channel into this community. Getting to know all of the ISVs has been a great time, especially the after parties. That's the best when you get to mingle and network a little bit better too. I think Doug does a really good job of keeping it interactive and bringing the community together. You get to know people on a deeper level. I feel like coming here, I create even stronger relationships than just working over the phone or on Zoom calls. I get to know them better in person, so I really love that about Doug.